Hey guys, Bryce Tubbs here. I just wanted to share with you guys this thing that kind of jolted me out of bed this morning. So I was sleeping. All of a sudden, a rush came back from two different coaching calls that I had yesterday. So on the one coaching call, I was speaking to this gentleman. He's inside of our mastermind program. It's called the Abundant Accounting Pro. And that's a year-long program. We take you from about 10 grand a month to more of like 20 grand to 30 grand per month in your accounting or bookkeeping firm by showing you how to get your time back, showing you how to train a team, and giving you systems to be able to scale to the next level. Now, inside of that call, we were discussing was like why things are so easy for him to grow. Like we're predicting he's going to be at about 50 grand, if not 60 grand per month by about May. So it's about 3 months from now, right? And when we were just kind of talking, he made something that was extremely interesting that most people just don't really understand. And the phrase was, "Hey, bro, you focus on sales, I'll handle the business." And I'm going to come back to that and why that phrase is so powerful. But before that, I'm actually going to talk about why most people struggle when it comes to phrases just like that and why it's going to kind of be either your saving grace or your, limiting belief. Now, if you want some help going and growing your business, you want to just kind of avoid the trial and error, go ahead and click on the link inside of the description below to book a call with me to see if I can help you. Now, the one thing to note is most people like you're not gonna feel ready before you book a call. You book a call, you get on, we make your game plan, we say, hey, this is what you need to do to go and reach your goal. Whether your goal is like 10 grand a month, whether it's 20 grand a month, whether it's you want to work 2 days a week, whether it's you want to work 3 days a week, whether you want to be able to spend all the time in the world with your kids and then be able to work in the evenings, whatever that goal is for you, we have to go and sit down together to see is this possible for you? What do you need to do in order to accomplish this? And if it makes sense, let's work together on this thing to overcome it. So if that's you, go ahead and click on the link inside of the description below before you're ready to do so. Book a call, hop on, let's do this thing. It's your time. Go and take it. Don't wait till you're ready. You're never going to feel ready. Now, going back to what we're saying, okay, if a business owner sees you as a fellow business owner, that's a lot of respect. If they see you as just, a grunt, there's no respect. You're not going to get paid. It's simple, man. It's very simple. So you have to become the client and the person that you want to attract. I was speaking to this lady yesterday, and she's like, "Oh, I don't really know if I want to invest in your mentorship program, Bryce." I'm like, "Well, why not?" Well, I don't really know. It was basically coming down to she didn't really know if she saw the value in it. And it's because she didn't know if the program was going to help her going it to 100,000. But then what she keeps saying on the phone is, "Well, no one sees my value. No one really wants to work with me." It's like you're becoming the person that you're attracting. Like you are the person you're attracting. Exactly what you just said to me was literally word for word what someone said to you. So I said, how are you going to break that? She said, what do you mean? I said, the only way you break a pattern is by doing a new behavior, right? So then she joined the program and she's like, oh, I understand. And there's a little bit more to that. It wasn't just like, I understand, here's my credit card. It was more like we had to just kind of talk through it and just kind of reassure her that this is the thing that it really takes for her to go and grow. And we really had to basically get a commitment. It was like, I just said to her, hey, do you want to grow this business or do you want to make another $10,000 a year? You want to make $10,000 again in the next 12 months like you did in the last 12 months? Or do you want to go to 100K, maybe 200K, 300K eventually? Like which one do you want? Because right now there's two paths, and this is you as the viewer too. You have two paths, right? You can go and click on the link inside the description and book a call with me and grow your business, get that free time that and start building that generational wealth that a lot of people talk about, very few actually get, right? Because most people they're like the 10,000 a year person. They kind of do it. They're kind of in. People don't really pay them much attention. People don't really respect them. They don't really get anything going, right? Versus the person who walks and like breathes money, and people just pay him 8 grand, 5 grand, 7 grand, 20 grand a month. Who are you gonna be? This guy pays 25 grand for the mastermind without blinking. These people get scared over $100. Who are you becoming? Now, I'm not asking for you to pay $25,000 if you have no traction, you're at zero. We have a program which is called the Six Figure Firms Mentorship, which is designed to take you from about between 0 to about $5,000 a month and take you more to $10,000, $12,000, $15,000 per month. And then once you're at the $15,000 per month mark, then we have the mastermind program that gets you to more scalable. So we at minimum add an extra $100,000 to your top line revenue, or we do have some guarantees involved in there. Okay, so if you want some help growing your business, you want to go see what does it look like for you to go and win and finally become that person that you've been talking about becoming. Let's go ahead and click on the link inside the description below so you can become that person. You can live that dream. You can run that business you want. You can have that time with your family. You can create that generational wealth. You can have financial freedom. You don't have to ask a boss if you can get some time off. You don't have to go and get pressured into, anything that you don't want to do on the job. You don't have to go and work with, businesses that are doing shady stuff. You have choice in your life. If that's you, go ahead and click on the link inside the description below. I'd love to see you on the call. Let's change your life. Let's go. Let's do this. And do this before you're ready. You're never going to feel ready. Go and attack this life. Let's win together. I'll see you.